If you are facing issues exporting a video from CapCut, here's a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and successfully export your project. First step is that ensure you have latest version of your CapCut. You can go to your App Store here and check for the update. So just search for the CapCut here. If there is any update available, then you have to get the latest version. After that, you have to open up your capture. So before exporting, make sure your video settings are correct. Just go and open up one of the video here. After opening the one of the video, before exporting, you have to make sure your video settings are correct. So you just go for your resolution and you have to take your resolution, aspect ratio, etc. So incorrect setting also can sometimes cause issue during export. So if you haven't purchased the premium and you have applied the effect of the premium, so here you can see that if I applied this effect here, so here you can see that premium feature is applied, and here you can see the pro version, and you have to just purchase the pro version. Here just go for the export option. So you are using the following premium feature, and I have to join the CapCut Pro to export the video from the CapCut. So here you can see the plan. So if you are using the effect of premium, then you cannot export the video from the CapCut. So first of all, you have to join the premium by choosing the plan here. After that, you can easily able to use the CapCut Pro feature here like this. You can see that. And then you can easily export the CapCut videos. So if I don't apply the CapCut Pro feature, here just I go for the export option, and here you can see that I will be able to export the video from the CapCut. So the issue you are facing in CapCut is through this Pro problem. So if you purchase the premium, then you won't face that issue. So from this video, you can easily fix export videos from the CapCut. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.